PLUG stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is what Plug Power stock buy. I'm going to be breaking all of this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in the stock trading space that has done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything. I'm not even exaggerating, it's all on my YouTube channel. And I absolutely love this bullish market now with Plug Power. Because in this freaking zone, I got 3 longs, 1 loss and 2 wins. That was phenomenal. This is where it really kind of began with the wins. Alright, it was like a month ago, mate. It was like 114 at the time. Wanted to see a double break to take it up. Happened. Sick. Now I'm looking for exact same pull down here, which already the price is giving me what I want to see. And I'm just sticking with it. You know, here's the before. Just a video that was made yesterday, pre-market. It was 4:30 a.m., right? And all I wanted to see is the price to pull down a little bit and give me the confirmation. It did exactly that, and I'm just looking to take it up. Stick with it, you know what I mean? If you want to get my money-making emails and insights and blueprint, click the first link in the description. It's free. If you also want to stay tuned with Plug Power. Goodbye and enjoy.